Hey, Midwest Picker here. Welcome to my channel. My name is Dave. I'm a full-time RN, full-time husband, father, and a part-time YouTube content creator, part-time reseller on eBay primarily. And today's video is what sold on eBay. The reason that I do what sold on eBay videos is for new resellers, so you can learn what actually sells, so you don't waste your time and your resources and especially your money buying things that just don't sell. So I share with you what I sold, where I sourced it from, my cost of goods, and what it sold for, and how I sold it. Did I put it on sale? What was the shipping? Just kind of life lessons on items. I give you as much information as possible. I don't come on here and say, you can make $10,000 a week selling on eBay. I don't lie. I tell you the truth, the good, the bad, and the ugly, which happens to be one of my favorite movies. Got my sidekick No Hands Joey here. Got Enoch up here. If you didn't see this right here, maybe you didn't notice that. That is a comic book print I got from Dominic, Primetime Treasure Hunter. It's really cool. That's a temporary location, but I'm going to hang it somewhere here in the eBay office. And I can't believe I keep forgetting to show you this, but if you see right there, I got an Enoch Funko Pop. Maybe I'll put a picture up here too. I didn't know those even existed, but it's an exclusive from 2017, I think. So it goes really good in the office. I gotta stop buying stuff for this office. I've got other stuff I could hang on the wall, so I'm done decorating. Let's get into what sold on eBay. Before we get into that, I think Michigan Pickers really likes my Instagram posts. No particular reason why. I don't know why. I just have this feeling. I don't know why. So the first item are these wooden dowel pins. I sold 100 of them for $4.95 plus first class shipping on top. If you're new to the channel, I purchased 12,000 of these wooden dowel pins, and then I list them on eBay. 100, 200, 300, 500 at a time. Crafters buy them. People that do woodworking use them for joining wood, buy them. And now that we're on the topic, I have this unopened box right here of 6,000 wooden dowel pins. It's very heavy. So if you're interested in buying this, I'll sell you this for $100, free shipping, 6,000 wooden dowel pins. You can piece them out however you want and resell them, double or triple your money. Just send me a private message on Instagram or my email's linked down below. We'll work out a deal. I'll send you an invoice on PayPal. You can be an entrepreneur of wooden dowel pins. Next item is this BSI flag. I didn't really know what this company was, but I saw this at a Goodwill. I actually bought 3 of them. This one sold. I had this one listed kind of high, $12 or $14. I got a best offer of $9 plus first class shipping on top, so I took it. Right now, football is hot, so if you have football related items, get them listed quickly. Football has started. It's a little wonky because of the Rona, but if you have football related items, Halloween related items, hurry up and get them listed. People do buy early. So this flag sold, I'm assuming, because football started, and I got 2 more still to sell. Next is the Puma sunglasses case. This is really cool. So it's a long story, but I won these in an auction. Very nice Puma sunglasses, aluminum frames, really cool looking. They're in my car. Well, this is just the case with the cleaning cloth that came from Puma. It's been kicking around my house. I almost threw it away, and I looked at it and I thought, you know what, this is technically like new. I know it is because it's my personal case. So I did a search on eBay, and people do buy sunglass cases, the original ones from designer sunglasses or nice sunglasses, I don't know. So I listed it on eBay. It took a few months. Sold for $9.95 plus first class shipping on top. Cost of goods is basically zero. I mean, I paid for the sunglasses and I don't really care for the case. So instead of just throwing it away, I sold it. Next is this William Rast jacket. So this is kind of a lesson in retail arbitrage. It's also associated with Justin Timberlake. I thought that would help sell it. These were in a Meijer store. On clearance. Now regular retail is like $159 and they marked them down 50% off, 30% off. Just crazy clearance down to $6 a jacket. Now I thought, wow, that's awesome. I should just buy 20 jackets. Well, I decided not to because the sizes were just a little weird. This is a men's large, which does sell, but not nearly as well as a men's extra large. So I wanted to buy 20 of them. I thought, you know what, that's 120 bucks. So I only bought 3 for $18. Put them on eBay for like $79.95, and they sat there and did nothing. Got some views, a couple watchers. Then I put them on sale, 20% off, nothing. All winter long, all spring, nothing. So I just kept reducing the price and reducing the price. Finally had the price down to $29.95, and then somebody sent me an offer for 20 bucks. I thought, I'm just going to take it. Now the margins are poor. I paid $6 and sold it for 20. That's not very good, but I've had these going on a year and a half. This is crazy. I just want to move them and get rid of them. They paid priority mail shipping, no big deal, so I got rid of it. So that's a lesson with retail arbitrage. Just because something says regular retail, you know, $5,000 and it's on clearance for $500, don't immediately jump at that because that's the suggested regular retail price. That doesn't mean people are willing to pay that price. So it is a very nice jacket. It's neoprene, it's thick, it's endorsed by Justin Timberlake. I mean, you can't get better than that. And it's a really high quality one, but people can go all kinds of places. You know, Burlington Coat Factory and Target and Walmart. They can get a nice jacket, 15, 25 bucks. So why would they spend that much money? I don't know. I thought they would have sold much faster than that, but they did not. They were kind of a dud. Next is a knife. I listed it for $8.95. I took a best offer of $7. Cost of goods is around $3. If you're new to the channel, I did win a knife lot auction. It was about 47 knives for like, I don't remember, $150, something like that. Half the knives were used. They were high-end, high-quality knives. Those are all gone and sold. And then there was a lot of affordable brand new knives that aren't very expensive at all, and I list them for $8.95. Probably got about a dozen left, and they sell pretty good, about one a week. This next one, Harry would call it a bang bang. So this is retail arbitrage, sort of. This was a thrift store. They had a tote full of these things. This is like a deer corn feeder spinner plate. I don't even know. I think it's for a motor that you mount to a tree with corn in it, and then it has a timer and it dumps corn on the ground for deer. I don't know. But this is just the plate alone. They had these marked down to 38 cents a piece, and I did a quick check on comps. I used my phone, went to my eBay app, looked at sold, scanned the UPC. Anywhere from $9 to $12 all day long, and they do sell well. For 38 cents, I thought, sure. So I scooped up a dozen of these things, listed them for $12.95 with free first-class shipping. I don't often do free shipping, but there's a lot of competition for these. There's lots of them on eBay. This is not a vintage collectible, so I had to, go along with the crowd and do free shipping. It only weighs like 4 ounces, so shipping's like $2.85, no big deal. So this sold for $12.95, and I ate the shipping, about $2.85 on that. Margins are awesome. Cost of goods was only 38 cents, so I'm making good money. Hopefully I sell the rest soon. Deer hunting season is approaching quickly. I don't keep up with the bow season and the musket season and all that, but these should start selling really well really soon. Next is Irwin brand nut setters. This is a tool. Listed it for $14.95. I have a whole bunch of tools listed, so I put them on sale, 10% off. These sold for $13.45. Another rare free first class shipping. The reason I did that, these are super lightweight, 2 to 3 ounces, and a ton of competition. To move them quicker, I put free shipping, and they sold. Next is Black Panther Christmas ornaments. Now I had these up since the summertime, like June, July, something like that. Maybe even sooner, like May. I didn't realize that the actor passed away, that it was the same guy. They've just been sitting in this drawer over here, and I've always had 2 of them. All of a sudden, some guy bought both of them. I thought, wow, that's amazing. Sold both of them together for $24.38. Another rare free first class shipping for me. The reason, lots of competition. Christmas is around the corner, so a lot of sellers are posting their Christmas items on eBay, Amazon, Facebook Marketplace, all that stuff. So I have to compete, so I did free shipping. They both fit nicely in a little box. I think shipping was about $3.18, no big deal. Next one is my home run. Some people were shocked by this. One guy commented, wow, on Instagram. He couldn't believe it. I went to an indoor flea market in Muskegon, Michigan this past summer, and I always go to the tool guys, and they have tables just laid out with all kinds of tools. Every single time, every tool guy I've ever seen that sells stuff at a flea market, they always got a box or a coffee can or a bucket or something with mixed sockets in there. And they'll have a sign, 50 cents a piece, a quarter a piece, whatever. Now you have to be very careful. A lot of those sockets are made in Taiwan. They have very little value. But sometimes they have high-end ones. And this guy had like a bucket of Craftsman sockets, really good ones, and he wanted 25 cents a piece. And they're just all mixed in there. Some were rusty, some were, you know, a little damaged and messed up. I just took 1 minute to pick some out and look at them just to see what they were. And it was a mixture. Some were Craftsman, some were Cobalt. I think Lowe's sells those. Those aren't bad either. But, you know, with the Craftsman one, they have to be big to be worth a lot of money. These were all little tiny ones. And then there was a giant socket mixed in there. It was like, you know, bigger than a golf ball. This thing was huge. And I grabbed it and I said to the guy, this is a quarter too? And he said, yeah, that's a quarter too. So I kind of felt bad because I looked down and it's an SK brand socket. If you know anything about tools, Starrett, SK, Snap-on, very valuable, very desired, and worth a ton of money. So I grabbed 3 other Craftsmans and put them together and gave the guy $1. So I got home. It's a humongous socket. I listed it for $24.95 plus shipping on top. It didn't really move much, and even though this is one single socket, it weighs 1.5 pounds, so I had to go priority mail. I jammed it in a small flat rate box. I could have done a flat rate padded mailer too. It doesn't matter either way. It's about the same cost. It didn't move for a while, and I thought maybe I have it priced too high, so I put it on sale, 10% off. It sold for $22.45 plus shipping on top. That's right. I paid $22 for a single socket. Now somebody just needed this particular size socket. Maybe their set of sockets is missing this one. I don't know. But it's a big socket, high quality. So if you're out in the wild, garage sales, flea markets, rummage sales, anywhere, if you see a box of sockets or screwdrivers or anything else, just take a minute and kind of go through each one, even like the screwdrivers or anything like that. If anything says Snap-on or SK or Starrett or even Craftsman or Cobalt, if they don't want hardly anything for it, consider buying those. You can also lot them together if you do a bunch of sockets that are the same brand. Watch the drive size though. There's 1/2-inch drive, there's 3/8 drive, different size drives. 3 different sizes are the most common. If you lot the sizes together, then they sell much better. So I was just thrilled that I sold this. Cost of goods again was 25 cents. Alright, that's the video guys. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. That way anytime I go live or I upload a video like this one, you'll get a notification. Don't forget these dowels here are for sale. 6,000 of them for $100 free shipping. Any last words? No last words from Joey. I did go live last night. Had a ton of fun. That was great. I'm going to go live every Sunday now from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. And then right after my live is What the Hales. They have a live auction 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. So back to back, check out my live and then jump over to What the Hales, check out their live. So that's it guys. Until next time, see ya.